So let's unbox our laptop stand. So I think this is some kind of, okay, you can see this is satisfying and I'm enjoying this. So this is a good stuff to keep you stressful. And here is your laptop stand. I like this because of its compact look. So let's see what's inside. Wow, there is a cover. Let me put this aside. Okay, wow, cover is good. I think we can carry on it to various locations. Wow, everything is good. Oh, cover is, I like this cover. Oh, this is heavy. Wow, I think this is good. And I can, oh, this is how you can, I think this, let's open it, like, let's slide. Oh, you can slide like this. Now let's see. Ooh, it's cool. I think we can, how many level? The 1 2 3 4 7, I think. No, there's more. Okay, so good. I think this is good. And there's a rubber texture, so it will protect your laptop. It is good, so you can adjust your laptop height. This is good, you can see. Okay, I think all good in this laptop stand. 5 out of 5. This is a great product, you should buy. And everything is good, and it's, I think, strong. Yeah, it's strong. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. That's all in this video. Hope you enjoy, and make sure subscribe so that